Midshipman Alperes. So, Rule 18. Responsibilities between vessels. uh, Except for Rule 9, 10, and 13, otherwise requires A. A power-driven vessels underway shall keep out of the way of 1. A vessel not under command. 2. A vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. So 3. A vessel engaged in fishing. 4. A sailing vessel. Sub B. A sailing vessel underway shall keep out of the way of I. 1. A vessel not under command. B. A vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. 3. A vessel engaged in fishing. C. A vessel engaged in fishing when underway shall, so far as possible, keep out of the way of 1. A vessel not under command. 2. A vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. D. Any vessel other than a vessel not under command or a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid impeding the safe passage of a vessel constrained by her route exhibiting the signal in Rule 28. 2. A vessel contains by her drought shall navigate with particular caution, having full regard to her special condition. E. A seaplane on the water shall, in general, keep well clear of all vessels and avoid impeding their navigation. In circumstances, however, where risk of collision exists, she shall comply with the rule of this part.